What's happening? This your boy Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan, and I'm about to grill up some wings. Let's get to it. So I got this Char Griller Legacy fired up. We got some good old wings right here. These are some whole wings, but I went ahead and split them up into the little portions, and I had them bad boys seasoned overnight with my little mystery rub here. I broke this out in my Mambo sauce chicken legs, and I used this rub on the chicken legs, and then sauced them with some Hawaiian hot rum barbecue sauce. Be sure to check that video out. And we're gonna be saucing these bad boys with this Cajun wing sauce that I found at Kroger, found at Food4Less from Kroger, and we're gonna go ahead and grill these bad boys up. You know what I mean? We're gonna grill these wings. We're not gonna sit here and put them on indirect and low and slow. We're gonna sit here and babysit these bad boys like some little old pieces of bacon. And I'm putting them like skin side down so I can get that good crispy skin, get that to render out, get that bite through. And we're just gonna load these bad boys up just like this and do it. They already starting to sizzle. That's what I want. And create a little space between them. You know, you don't want them to start steaming in there. You want to get that heat and that air circulating around all your meat. So I got them piled up. I got the coals on one side as if I was doing indirect, but I'm not. I'm just grilling on this side because this is my better angle when I'm cooking. So we're gonna do this like this. I'm gonna go ahead and shut that lid. Let me zoom in on that for you. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and shut this lid and let them do their thing. Real quick, I just want to thank all the over 1,700 people that have subscribed to my channel. I probably just said this before, but I just want to invite everybody to go ahead and go through my channel. I've been at this for a couple years, so some of my earlier cooks are pretty innovative and interesting stuff that I just came up with on the fly. And you can see the growth and the progression, because when I first started, I didn't know how to do a thumbnail, intro, none of that. So a lot of that stuff, it starts silent, but it gets into some real good cooking and some good laughs. So go ahead and check those out. I got videos on there, my grocery store adventures with myself, and then going international with my son Tyrell. And of course, all those are under my old title, Keenan Just Felt Like Cooking. But after being compromised on Instagram, I changed it to In the Smoke with Keenan. So a lot of those videos will be running, let's say In the Smoke, Keenan Just Felt Like Cooking, but it's all going back to your boy's channel, In the Smoke with Keenan. Appreciate y'all's support, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Let's get to this chicken. So I'm smelling it. I'm definitely smelling it. And like I said, we on direct heat and all that. That bad boy bubbling right there. So, we already, we already getting a little good color there. So we just, just keep them rotating. We don't want them burning. I got my little cool area. I could transfer them over to the other side or put them up top right here and all that. So we just gonna go ahead and keep babysitting these bad boys just like this. Keep them going, because we grilling up some wings right now. We ain't smoking them, we grilling. And just take it back to what you grew up eating. How you remember it being done. I didn't grow up with low and slow. I grew up with hot and fast, so the low and slow thing I had to perfect on my own and study on my own and all that, and learn how to properly manage that fire and all that. So, and I started off on an electric smoker, so that definitely, I definitely done stepped up the game with this Char Griller Legacy. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut this lid, let these bad boys do their thing. Now, as you can see, we doing real good. We got good color on that bad boy. The ones that were, the smaller ones that were kind of finished, I just got them up there chilling. You know what I mean? But in a minute, we about to start saucing them. So I'm gonna let these bad boys crisp up a little bit. You see that it's jumping because it's telling me it's ready for some sauce. Now we are all done. As y'all can see, them bad boys look amazing. So a quick little recap. Just got some good old chicken wings. Season them up in my little mystery rub here. Like I said, I cannot remember for the 10th, 100th time. I don't know what's in it. Went ahead and let them sit overnight. And I had the whole wings, and then I cut them into portions, seasoned them, let them sit overnight. And then went ahead and smoked them on some good King's fruit, applewood, on my char griller legacy, baby. I sauced half the wings with this Cajun wing sauce from Kroger. This stuff is good. It's tangy. It got vinegar in it, but it's real tasty. It really is. And that's these right here, the sauce one. And I'm gonna go ahead and try that. The heat kind of calmed down when you put some smoke on it. That is really good. Look at that. You know you did a wing right when it come apart. I got a flat, if I could pick it up. But I'm not gonna eat that flat because I want to try one of the naked ones. I'm the only one touching the food, so I'm gonna lick my fingers. I'm gonna try one of my naked ones here. Right, that's just with the rub. That bad boy, I mean, that is like the skin, and like, I like how the chicken skin get wrinkly right there. They'll let you know all that fat been rendered out. And I found this little sauce. Let me get this paper plate away. I got it sitting on my grill on the little stands that come on the legacy, and I don't want it too close to start melting the paper plate. I found this little sauce right here from Zas Chila. It's a salsa, guacamole, and habanero. It says extra hot. I tasted it. It is hot. You know, when you pull the little protection thing off, went ahead and tasted that bad boy, and it definitely is packed some heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on here. There we go. Man, that's hot. It's your boy Keenan. I'm in the smoke with Keenan. Appreciate y'all checking me out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. You know something hot when it got your ear itching. Hit that notification bell so y'all know what time your boy is pumping out some new material. We'll be trying to get them out once a week, and then hopefully I can get back up to 2 days, twice a week. But as of right now, I got a few out there, and like I said before, go on, travel through my channel and check out some of them earlier cooks. Some you're gonna be tripping off some of the things I came up with. And if you want a good laugh, check out my very first video when I did some spare ribs. And you see how I was hacking at them bad boys to try to trim them in a St. Louis cut. But of course, I got much better. All right, y'all be cool, be safe, be smart. You know what time it is. I'm still with Black Smokes Barbecue. What's up, fellas? You know what I mean? Appreciate y'all keeping me in mind, keeping me in your heart. You know what I mean? Y'all be cool out there, be safe, smart. You know what I always say. Back in a minute, back with some more cooking in the smoke with Keenan. 1.